Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, yesterday I received a package and I know I had to go to work, so we're going to open this today. And this comes from my friend Jill, who lives in the UK, and I think it's a Christmas present. So let's find out what is in this box. I'm so excited. Thank you, Jill. I wasn't expecting this at all. Let me get this out of this thing here. All right, I am back. Look at this adorable box. It says Santa Claus 123 Elf Road, the North Pole, and it has all these little stamps and everything on it. Just a gorgeous box. Let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Let me put that box lid down there so nothing happens to it. Super Stitcher Laura. Oh, you're hilarious. You're just hilarious. Merry Christmas, Jill. Thank you. If I get the card out. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Love, Jill. Disney. And Disney. Meow. Very cute. I'm going to put this someplace where it won't fall into oblivion over here on my desk. All right. Let's see what is on top here. Oh my goodness. This is heavy. Whoops. I don't think that goes with that. Pretty, pretty pink paper. Gorgeous. Oh, it's a candle. I wonder it's heavy. Holy cow. See if I can get this off. I don't much want to tear the paper. My goodness. You are a great wrapper there. It says Marks and Sparkles. LED light up scented candle. Neroli, Neroli, lime, and bergamot. Bergamot is the scent or flavor of Earl Grey tea, or one of the scents. Very nice. Let me show you the outside. It has scenes from London. We have the London Eye. I'm not sure what that is. All these beautiful London buildings. There's Big Ben. I'm not sure what that is, but just gorgeous. Beautiful. I'm going to set that up on my thing, like right in front of my TV, because there's a little space there. So I can set that there. Very nice. And, ooh, nail polish. Beautiful turquoise. Gorgeous. Does it say what color it is? No. Very pretty. Thank you. We'll have to use that. It's kind of a, I don't know if it's more seafoam green or turquoise. Sometimes you really can't tell until you open it. So, yeah, kind of a seafoam green. You know I love me some seafoam green. I will have to paint my nails with that. Let's see here. Oh my goodness. Let me get this undone. Everything's kind of close. I can't get the... Well, I'm going to have to. Just going to have to. Oh, nice. Beautiful, beautiful sweater. Gorgeous. It's so pretty. Look at all the sparklies. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Jill. Is that wool? Oh my goodness. Just want to make sure. I'll probably have to hand wash that. It doesn't say what the material is or the knit is, but it's very soft and plush. Thank you, Jill. It's gorgeous. I'll wear that Christmas Day. You set that over there. And open this part. Let me just get this out of this box and we won't be up so high. So before we go any further, oh, she sent me some more of those lemon drizzle melt. Yum! They are delicious. I love these. Oh my goodness, I wish that I could get these here. They are lovely. I just adore them. And this one, I don't know, everything got moved around. Oh my goodness. Still, it's not telling me what that is. She sent me a scarf. Is that a scarf? Holy cow. Wrap that up. Okay, what is the problem? Oh, I see how it goes. I'm trying too hard here. There we go. Lovely. Yep, it's a nice, heavy, thick scarf. So I'll have to alternate wearing this one to work and my other one to work. But this one I think is bigger. I may save it just to wear around the house. It's lovely and it's so soft. Well, thank you, Jill. I did not expect this. You are the best. Just the best. I just love you, Disney, Steven, the whole bunch of you. You are just good peeps. Oh, there it is. Peppermint Promise. Okay. We'll take their word for it. Very nice. Thank you so much, Jill, for all these lovely gifts. They are just stunning. Thank you so much. Love you. Thanks, everybody, for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.